Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Esther, and today I am back with a new video. Today I have attempted, keyword attempted, to do my own knotless braids, and I use the crochet method. So let's get started. Guys, so if you're looking to follow along, I did use Shine and Jam, some hair clips to clip my hair back, Mary's Edgewax, a fine tooth comb to part my hair, FREETRESS braiding hair in the inches 28, mousse, and two crochet needles just to go ahead and loop the hair through my hair for the crochet method. Here I am starting off with freshly washed and blow dried hair, and I just went ahead and parted it into 6 sections just to have it out my way. And here I am just kind of, enjoying the view. I was pretty impressed with how they turned out. I know they're not perfect, but I had really low expectations for this. So this was kind of like, E for effort for me. And here I am just parting my hair. I am using the fine tooth comb, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I am not the best at parting my hair. So I do apologize if you guys are cringing at these parts. I was trying. I was really trying. So before I go ahead and braid my natural hair, I do like to moisturize it. I am using Camille Rose Curlaide to do that. And I like to detangle it as well. Then I'm gonna go in with the Shine and Jam, and I'm just gonna put that all over my hair, especially the base of my hair. It's really important to take your time with the jam. I would definitely say the jam is the most important aspect of getting this hairstyle to last. So I'm just taking my time, and I'm gonna go ahead and braid my natural hair. I was going for medium to small, I would say medium braids. So the section that I parted kind of reflects that. And I also just went ahead at the ends of my hair after I finished braiding and just go ahead and use that jam once again. That's gonna really help your hair to blend in with the braiding hair and kind of just tuck it away. Now I'm going in with my crochet needle, and I'm just pushing that through the base of my hair. And I'm going to go in and latch the braiding hair to the crochet needle and just pull that through gently. Take your time with it, guys. After that, I just pull one piece of it out and just make sure that it's even and lining up with one another, because you do want a nice even braid. And because I was going for like a medium style, I did go ahead and loop another piece of hair through. If you do see this method on YouTube, there are some people who just do one piece of hair, but I wanted to do 2. I don't know. I also think it's easier to do 2 because then you have more pieces of hair to braid with. You guys are gonna see what I mean in a second. After that, I'm just gonna go ahead and braid my hair. So this part is pretty self-explanatory. The only thing I will say is I'm taking my time and really trying to tuck in my natural hair. So it's really important, especially because this braid is in the front, to make sure that I have enough hair surrounding my natural hair so that it's hiding. And as you guys can see, as I start to braid down, you pretty much can't even see my natural hair because it's tucked in. It is going to start to peek out a little bit. My natural hair, the ends of it are red as well. So, but it's like a lighter red. So you are going to start to see it a little bit, but it's not poking out or anything. It's just, you can see the color. I'm just taking my time braiding all the way down. I did want this to be long. As you guys can see in the thumbnail picture, I was going for a waist length. So I did add some hair. If you just want it to be, I would say probably where your stomach is, then not your stomach, probably like mid-abdomen, you can just go ahead and not add extra hair. After I do that, I just tie the piece down, and here I am just doing another piece of hair and just braiding it down. So the rest of this is pretty optional. You do not have to do this if you don't want to. I am gonna just go ahead and take a few seconds to cut away any flyaways that I see. And here I am just oiling my scalp. I did want this to be a protective style, so I did go ahead and oil my scalp. Before I oiled my scalp, I actually did seal the ends of this hair with boiling water, but I did forget to include that in this video. And here I am just adding some mousse just to really smooth out and get away any frizzes. And I'm just laying my hair with Got To Be gel. I just find that it works the best on my natural hair. And this is the final look, y'all. Super simple. It wasn't perfect, but honestly, I ain't going nowhere. I just wanted my hair in some braids, and I'm happy. That's it, y'all. Peace.